The Power of Your Subconscious Mind was written by Joseph Murphy in 1963. In a nutshell, by understanding how the subconscious mind works, you can learn how dreams become reality. The result of the affirmative process of prayer depends on your conforming to the principles of life, regardless of appearances. Consider for a moment that there is a principle of mathematics and none of error. There is a principle of truth, but none of dishonesty. There is a principle of intelligence, but none of ignorance. There is a principle of harmony and none of discord. There is a principle of health, but none of disease. There is a principle of abundance, but none of poverty. Dr. Joseph Murphy spent a good part of his life studying Eastern religions and was a scholar of the I Ching, the Chinese book of divination, whose origins are lost in history. He was also for 28 years minister at the Los Angeles branch of the Church of Divine Science. How the subconscious works and what it can do. Murphy saw the subconscious mind as a dark room within which we develop the images that are to be lived out in real life, while the conscious mind sees an event, takes a picture of it, and remembers it. The subconscious mind works backwards, seeing something before it happens. This is why intuition is infallible. The subconscious responds to habit and habitual thinking, being totally neutral in a moral sense. It is happy to adopt any habit as normal, good or bad. We blithely let negative thoughts drop into the subconscious every minute of our lives, then are surprised when they find expression in day-to-day experiences and relationships. Relaxed faith equals results. The subconscious is an entirely different kettle of fish to the conscious mind. It cannot be coerced, responding best to relaxed faith that it will do its transforming work with ease. Trying hard, which may work for a task given to the conscious mind, is a cause of failure with its subterranean other half. It suggests to your subconscious that there is a lot of opposition to what you want done. Health and prosperity. In the rituals of ancient times, with their weird mixtures and incantations, it was the power of suggestion and acceptance in the subconscious mind that healed. Even today, doctors report the power of placebos to produce miraculous recoveries if they are accompanied by doubt-free instructions that this will do the trick. Miracles of healing, Murphy said, are simply the body obeying the subconscious mind's knowledge of perfect health when the questioning nature of the normal conscious mind is silenced.